Hi friends, we have breaking news about the future of Walmart parking lots and how it affects RV parking.
Yeah, just a few days ago, Walmart made a major announcement about the future of their parking lots and what does this mean for the RV living community. I'm Tom.
And I'm Cherie.
And so we're breaking into our regularly scheduled videos to share this information. Actually, we had a subscriber, Duncan, email this, and we've been doing research on this.
Thank you, Duncan.
All day to get you the latest information. Now, we previously made a video on what not to do at Walmart and why we are losing parking privileges overnight at Walmarts. And we didn't realize how many people were concerned about this. And we'll share a link up here and down below on that so you can check that out.
So while we've been staying close to Sedona, we've been shopping here at this Cottonwood Wal Mart, and what we didn't realize was this is where there was a big brawl, including a fatality a couple of years ago here.
Right, there was a family that was overnight staying in their SUV in the parking lot and they refused to leave, and the cops were called, and one of the family members got a hold of a gun, an officer got shot, one of the family members was fatally shot.
Don't touch me. You don't.
I found out about this by looking at the AllStays app and seeing several RVers make negative comments about not being able to stay here overnight and literally parking here for just a few minutes and being harassed by security to leave. So in an article in Business Insider just a couple days ago by Annie Kane, Walmart made this major announcement, and Cherie's gonna read that word for word.
The article states this: the retail giant is transforming extra parking lot space into town centers at Walmarts in several states.
And Walmart actually created a website for this, and we'll link to that below. It's called Walmart Redesigned, where they have plans for all of their extra parking lot space. And nowhere on that new website is anything about overnight parking for RVs or trucks. Now, I did some research on this website to see which Walmarts under the new plan still allow, under this town center plan, still allow overnight parking for RVs. And I was shocked to find out that only 1 out of 14 Walmarts still allowed overnight parking. And I want to actually read all the Walmarts that I looked at. Now, all of these changes that Walmart is doing sound cool for the customer by having almost like a mini mall concept, but if you use Walmarts like we do to stop overnight occasionally in between camping spots, it's definitely not good for that.
Yeah, it definitely makes sense on a business side for Walmart because they've lost a lot of business due to competition like Amazon. So now they have all this unused space in parking lots and they want to make use of it and make money off of it.
Well, so much more shopping is being done online.
Right.
And they're looking for ways to make more money, and by having maybe other stores paying them rent and bringing in more people for other things, they will make more money than they make from a few RVs and trucks spending the night.
It totally makes sense.
It just makes sense from a financial standpoint.
Right, but it's not helpful for us.
No, it's not. And these are the Walmarts that I looked into. So Walmart has already made some of these new town centers. I went through and found 14 of them on their website. There's one in Loveland, Colorado, Springfield, Arkansas, Windsor Heights, Iowa, Rogers, Arkansas, Garland, Texas, Gresham, Oregon, Long Beach, California, Lee's Summit, Missouri, Evergreen Park, Illinois, Aurora, Colorado, Covina, California, Louisville, Texas, and Broomfield, Colorado. And then I checked the AllStays app, and only one, the one in Iowa, still allows overnight parking. And that was shocking to me to see this happening. And I'm going to speculate that my guess is maybe only 50% of Walmarts still allow parking overnight.
Yeah, that's probably pretty accurate.
So as of this recording, Walmart still has this current corporate policy, and we will link to that in the description, but Cherie is going to read it verbatim right now.
Can I park my RV at a Walmart store? The answer is, while we do not offer electrical service or accommodations typically necessary for RV customers, Walmart values RV travelers and considers them among our best customers. Consequently, we do permit RV parking on our store parking lots as we are able. Permission to park is extended by individual store managers based on availability of parking space and local laws. Please contact management at each store to ensure accommodations before parking your RV.
And as we were doing research on this, it seems that other big box retailers are also looking at shrinking their parking lot spaces due to so much being ordered online. So we're going to have to keep an eye on some other parking lots that some RVs actually use, like Cabela's and Sam's Club. Other ones that people do potentially park overnight if they ask permission. So this may not just be affecting Walmart. And as we're talking here, here's a RV right over here that's parking the long way. I wonder if he realizes that we'll just have to watch while we're doing this recording, see if he gets a knock on the door. We want to share some other items about Walmart parking so that we can enjoy what's left of these privileges as long as possible. Now, if you are at a Walmart that does allow overnight parking, you've talked to management, don't do it over the busy holiday rush when their parking lot is likely to be very busy. Also, if you have pets, people sometimes just don't pick up after their pets.
Don't leave your garbage out. Pick up after your pets. Be kind to the Walmart employees. They have a hard job.
Yeah, so if you see a security guard like in the morning and they're kind of help protecting you by keeping an eye on everything, maybe offer them a cup of coffee, a donut, and you know, be kind. And realize that it really is a privilege for us to be able to stay here at no cost. So all of the articles that I'm referring to in this video, you will find links in the description below. So one thing you can do is not only pick up your trash, but if you see other trash in the parking lot, pick that up too, whether it's from another RVer or just in general offer to pick up the trash around you. We've had people comment on our previous Walmart video that do that, and it shocked the management. Now, if all of us do that, we can be known as a group of people that are responsible for helping to make things better and not contributing to the problem.
Yeah, and leaving areas cleaner than you found them.
So here are some ideas that we thought of that would help the situation with RV parking at Walmart. And the first one is...
Right, we came up with the idea that might be an idea to register at customer service for $5 or $10, and they could give you something you could stick in your dash to show that you've actually paid and have like this permit, some type of permit to park overnight. And then you can go back in and get that back as a credit for shopping at at Walmart.
Yeah, maybe a full or partial credit to use while shopping.
Right, that would keep out the riffraff and keep things more organized and responsible.
Right, and that'd be for one night only.
Right.
And then another thing would be is if it could be incorporated with the Walmart app, where you could just register your RV with your smartphone on the Walmart app, and the Walmart app would tell you right away whether or not this particular Walmart allowed overnight parking.
Right.
And maybe where to park and all of that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So we want to share a comment from one of our viewers that had a great potential solution, kind of self-policing in the RV community on what the code of conduct should be when you park at a Walmart or other retailer. I'm going to read this word for word. So Larry said that he made up index cards that he would place on RVs in the parking lot. Okay, Cherie going to read the code of conduct.
Industry sanctioned code of conduct. RVers, good neighbor policy. Walmart, Cabela's, Cracker Barrel, Bass Pro Shops, etc. Stay one night only. Obtain permission from qualified individual. Obey posted regulations. No awnings, chairs, or barbecue grills outside your RV. Do not use hydraulic jacks on soft surfaces, including asphalt. Always leave an area cleaner than you found it, which we mentioned too. Purchase gas, food, or supplies as a form of a thank you if feasible. Be safe. Always be aware of your surroundings and leave if you feel unsafe.
We love that, Larry. Thanks for sharing that with us. And if more RV people did stuff like that, I don't think we'd be running into all of the issues we have been. It's the violators of this policy that are causing communities to put these laws into effect that are banning overnight parking.
Again, thank you to our viewer Duncan, who sent this information to us, and congratulations.
Yes, he's having a final furniture sale this weekend.
Yes, he is.
And
Yay.
hitting the road next week.
Woo.
Which is awesome. We love hearing stories like that.
We do.
So please let us know in the comments or email us. That email link will be in the description. And if you hear about news that affects the RV living community, please share that with us in the comments below or in an email. We definitely want to hear about that and to share it with everyone.
That's right.
Because we want to make sure you guys have the right information on what's going on and what you can do to help keep all of the privileges that we've gained through the years and help it keep getting better. So what do you guys think about this new announcement from Walmart, and how do you think it will affect the future of overnight parking for RVs and trucks at Walmart?
And what do you think about the percentages that don't allow it already?
Yeah, I still think it's around 50%, but we want to know what you guys think.
Yeah, and if you like this video and it was informative and helpful to you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your RV friends, because we need this information to get out there.
And if you're not a subscriber to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when we release new videos, and ding that little bell. Also, you can subscribe below in the description for the link to our newsletter, and you can be informed there as well. We really appreciate you watching this, and we look forward to hearing your comments. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
So long, guys. So we want...
What was that?
Something about taking a selfie?
In a Walmart parking lot. Because that's where we like to take selfies.
It's getting real in this Walmart
It's getting
parking
real
lot.
in the Walmart parking lot.